If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If you run it on me, I'm the nigga on my head and I'ma stay next. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback.
Oh, they go scat. They got that shit. They got that shit.
That's some like scat though, bro. That other green one. That's another scat.
Oh, I know. I look at that one.
That green one, that's somebody's shit though. It's got a light plate on the back.
I like that. I like that green.
Nah, that shit.
What Brent shit at? They go Nico shit.
That shit gas.
I wonder what the fuck wrong with his shit. Shit.
This is straight though.
She was driving though. She can drive still. That's crazy.
Which way you going?
I'm gonna go right.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to work. There it go.
It's a bit straight.
Oh God, that shit blowing out cold as fuck. Feels smooth.
It feels smooth. It feels smooth. I let my seat up, son. There we go. It be clean, man. I like the S on the seats.
It's a sport one. Should probably get up a little bit.
We got to go.
Fuck that bitch. Turn that bitch to sport.
We go right?
Yeah.
Put that bitch in sport, cuz.
Yeah, no. Yo, put that bitch in sport?
That influence.
Yeah,
you know that was good.
Y'all boys here.
Put that shit in straight sport. I'm trying to see this shit talking about.
And this shit smooth though.
That's scarred.
Turn this bitch up.
Hotel lobby. Oh, that's scarred. Don't know about that, boy. Don't know about that. Don't know about that scarred. That's a white boy? Oh, he black.
Those other systems, it's designed specifically for crosswords, but it's using all the work on machine learning, natural language, and so on, to help Dr. Phil understand a bit better what the right answer to
What this shit talk? Shut the fuck up. What that nigga talk? This shit got, you just need some little tint.
Yeah.
Get in your left lane.
Oh, wait, go back to your right lane. I know exactly. Go to your right lane. Yeah, I'm about to take you through this. We're going through my hood.
Where we going?
Go right.
Right here?
Yeah, you got plenty of road to drive through back this bitch.
Alright, man. Hey, this shit smooth, no kissing.
Let this man drive. This man. You gotta put this bitch in spot. You gotta.
How the fuck you driving this sport?
All right, slow down. Slow down. Let me just come on. Slow down a little more. Slow down all the way, nigga. Turn that bit. Oh, you gotta put in park to do that shit? That's whack.
I do.
Now you gotta wait. It's a bus right there. Go there and then go ahead right now. Ah, you could have did it, cause the bus right here.
Oh, okay. Well, put it in sport. Come on.
Yeah, hurry up, cause we on the corner.
Yeah,
What
the corner. Hurry up.
Put it in park.
There you go.
What's that?
Yeah.
She said traction control all when you put it in sport.
Oh shit.
Don't do it. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what to do that shit. And just go left right here.
Left right here?
Yeah, this is a good road, but that bus fucking you up though. I know.
Huh?
I used to be through it all the time. That I grew up over here, bro.
Yeah, I already
Get a
know.
little gas.
Yeah.
Give it like
A little bit gas and you gotta stop that bus. See that shit talking about? You flooring that hoe? Why you shaking the steering wheel?
Oh, I was like doing that.
This nigga goofy, he trying to kill himself. Alright, slow down.
This shit lit.
This nigga Shady told something I like doing. Nigga, this ain't no SRT. Hell no. What the fuck? This front wheel drive. What, you crazy? You gotta flip this hoe.
I like this shit. I like this car.
So I like
Shit,
this
you
guy.
about to just spin him in a circle and go back out. You know where
Yeah.
you're gonna go out, ain't it?
Mhm.
You about to
He go out with 2 ways, really.
Yeah, really.
Go, motherfucker.
Bro, what y'all think about 30 car? He got it sport. You know
This
what
shit
I'm
clean
saying?
as the
I
club.
don't know
Shit
what
clean.
he gonna try for this one.
Got the S on the seat. Okay. Okay. This shit talking about a little something. This shit talking about a little
They
something.
get up a tad.
It get
I
up
gotta
a
learn how to
little
use
It's
these.
not switch gears. It's not switching though, man.
It feel like it. You might gotta use the paddles.
I don't know how to use
It's not
them.
switching. You hear it? It's
Yeah, I hear it.
It's
It ain't
running all the
switch.
way out when he putting on. When he going on what you call it?
I don't know how to use
Put one of
it.
the paddles real quick. Hit one there. Oh no, yeah.
It's switching. I told you you want to switch gear. That's why it sound like that. You might have to get out of sport, bro. I don't know.
I don't know if you're not.
I don't.
How to fuck with that
All
shit.
right, just wait.
You gotta break. Ain't nobody behind this speed bump.
Yeah. I was about to say you got what you doing. You'll fuck up the whole car.
Yeah.
Alright, right there.
Yeah, I don't know how to drive that shit.
It sounds decent though.
It
Yeah.
sound good. Take a right where that bus taking a right.
They sound pretty smooth.
I wonder if they got a V6 in or a 4
V6.
cylinder.
It's a V6.
Oh yeah, this shit get up a little bit there. Little V6.
This shit's smooth.
We used to sit right
You
here at the
think-
bus stop to go to San Janito.
You think my insurance would be high because it's blue?
No, that thing should be straight.
Sure. Let's see. Let's see.
There's a little curve now.
Yeah. It's
Alright, we start. What y'all think the maintenance on this is? This thing is expensive maintenance?
No, it's a little regular little car.
a regular car.
Damn, she about to hit the
Little
fuck out
ratchets.
herself.
Boy, you can't drive. Oh God, you Oh, that's what you gotta watch out for 30. You gotta watch out for bullshit ass shit like this.
See?
Hey, I like
That
this
bitch
shit,
straight
though.
whipped that hoe out. She ain't really stopped.
I wonder how much they gonna charge for this bitch.
I say about
I wish you would
15.
have told the price as soon as you came.
Cause it got
Yeah,
100K on it. You gonna
Don't
say
try to
15.
tell me the price I thought I got here. I mean, I thought I got in the motherfucker. I like this shit, though.
What you looking at, gang?
I like this shit,
Get that
though.
ass head.
I like this shit, though. Once I learn how to use these, we lit.
Yeah. You don't know how to use them. Son.
Wait till I learn how to use them shits.
I like how it's set up. Though.
Yeah, I like
It's
this little cluster
clean, though.
shit.
I like the little cluster shit too.
Then it switch
Open
shit.
this up.
Throw the weed in the trunk. Get the weed.
Oh yeah, this shit lit. Hey, the boys, hey, this shit leather shit comfortable though.
Yeah.
No cap.
No cap.
Cloth in the middle.
They got the cloth in the middle. I like
My
this.
ass ain't gonna be hot.
No cap, this smooth.
That's smooth. What's up, baby?
All right, I want to talk business now. I kind of want this shit, but I don't want to make her feel like I want it too much.
Yeah, don't make it feel like
Yeah.
you want too much. Don't be excited.
No, that
Yeah,
don't get too excited.
If she excited, she gonna sell that
see your
hoe.
face when you walk in. She go, oh, this motherfucker want this shit right now. He can do anything for it.
Anything
right
for
now.
it.
It's left
you
at this
ain't-
light, ain't it?
Yeah,
no,
right.
Right?
Yeah.
Y'all boys show? Yeah.
We show. And this lane gonna end once you turn right, so you gotta get back over to another one.
I'm going.
Oh, you definitely gonna be curving some rims.
Oh, God.
30, we gotta teach you how to drive a little bit.
Like I said, I've been teaching myself.
Oh, hell no.
Nobody's ever let me drive their car.
Yo, this man just said he been teaching himself. I would not trust this man in the Durango driving that bitch, but I'd be like, what?
Man, y'all always hell. We right here, ain't it? Yeah, let's get to it.
Spin the block.
We got you.
Teach you how to do this.
Yeah, it's okay, y'all boys. I probably.
The brakes on this bitch is still good.
They good. They stop for sure.
they
Where you press them
stop.
hoes?
Oh, God. What that is over there? She about to hop in.
What?
Over there in that black shit. That Durango? Durango what?
I don't know. Which one?
Over there on the right there by the
Yeah.
Corvette. Yeah, she about to hop in that bitch. Black lady.
RT. That hell. She need to come get that hell. That hell get Durango. She go crazy.
This shit here smooth though.
Yeah, this smooth. I
Yeah.
don't like them rims on that Charger. I'm just like that.
Park that bitch right here. Oh, she parked.
So I'm gonna swing in.
Back that up.
He told me I'm about to swing. Boy, you gonna keep
You
trying?
better keep trying.
behind you. You ain't looking behind. Oh, 30. Hell no. 30. You need to
we
be
gonna
right
teach you
now.
how to drive.
You had to drive, but you ain't looking back. You still could keep going back. Turn the wheel.
You see the
though.
damn thing?
Like,
She like,
go
you
ahead.
can't drive already.
Yeah, hell no.
You tripping.
Oh hell no! Y'all killing that, bro. If anybody seen that, bro, this man tweaking, bro. He can't drive, bro. You got that part, bro? Put the park brake on for your ass. He can't drive, bro. He can't drive, bro. God damn, this motherfucker. He's still learning how to drive. He gotta. That's why we can't. He gotta get something settled, cause you barely even park. God damn, this nigga sideways.
That was smooth, man. That was smooth, man.
It's a smooth ride for sure. It's clean. Only thing it got one nick over here, but I mean that ain't really nothing. It's like somebody hit it with a door or something. But yeah, right here.
Oh, man.
They scratched some of the paint out there.
Yeah, he did.
Whatever they hit it with.
Oh,
Yeah, but I mean,
He do a little paint correction.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Definitely not bad. 30.
If we can, yeah, let's go and get in there with them.
This ain't front wheel drive. This all wheel.
Is it? I'll be wrong. It's all wheel. They usually come front wheel drive though. What the fuck? This nigga stopped in front of me. I wasn't even looking. I hate when y'all do that.
Look at park.
Yeah, he parked crooked as hell. Not driving ass. She told me I seen this. Boom, 30 better.
Y'all have a seat here, and I'll get some numbers for you.
Okay. Oh, I'm about to get chill this time. Hold the camera.
That was smooth, all right? Give me your camera. All right, y'all, listen. I'm 20 years old. My mama and grandma do not let me drive their car. I taught myself how to drive, okay? Okay? You know what I'm saying? Look at me. You know what I'm saying? We get this money, though. Probably cop a Hellcat. So, okay, what y'all guys think about the car?
Yeah, what y'all think about it?
No, that shit was moving.
Y'all think think it's good for 30? First car?
Yeah.
Yeah. We gonna be in the VA soon, but he got to learn to drive. Y'all see this shit, right? That nigga made the whole claim.
When next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be the spinning cat.
You can learn from the boys, man.
Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be the spinning cat. But right now, we V6 in it right now.
VV6 in it. All-wheel drive though, yo.
All-wheel drive though, and we got pedals.
They got past.
I'm gonna learn.
We gotta teach him how to use it.
I'm gonna learn how to use them. Then once I learn how to,
He gonna think he be doing something until I fly past him in that Durango.
everybody hearing that.
That joint
everybody care about
wild,
that.
this
I'm gonna
man.
race you every time. I'm gonna race you just because I know I'm
Bro,
gonna
you
lose.
funny, bro.
And the Durango is still hurting. It still need lifters, y'all. When I play something, it's over with. And y'all know I'm putting that stage 3 cam in it. She's gonna be
Yeah.
Yeah, but we lit. You know what I'm saying? I'll see what they talk
But
about.
let's see what these numbers talking about.
Yeah.
Go ahead, cut the clip.
True.
You recording?
Yeah, unboxing the wrap.
Bro, we waited like 3 weeks for this shit, bro.
Good.
Almost a month. From this company called Arvano. That shit said 1 to 3 days shipping, bro. And it took almost a damn near month. Maybe it's because of COVID shit.
Must be, but I don't know.
This shit hard to get over on God.
We need that 20% discount.
Yeah,
That's all.
Arvano. So we were
Arvano.
almost a month.
Y'all said
1 to 3 day shipping.
No addresses, but.
Ah, I see Black with Latino rap.
For real?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Alright, here we go. Now how we get this part open? Boom.
Just like that.
Alright, here we go, y'all.
3. Oh.
Yo, that's a lot.
We. Stop playing.
Pull this out, bro.
Ooh, we.
That's a lot.
Stop playing.
Dang, hold on. Let me get y'all right.
Go on this side. Go on my other side. go this side. Yes, risky.
Oh, shit, I already got over. I don't need to go back. Alright, with the 3M cigarettes.
That shit look good. The metal look good. I'm not even
Oh my god. But you can see the sparkles. Ooh!
And we got enough. This is definitely enough.
Whoa, you see it on the camera. Whoa, hold on. Oh my god, it's game over.
Yeah, this is definitely the start right here.